And welcome back. Today I just want to do a quick video on WorkHorse. Ticker symbol is WKHS. But before I continue on, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for educational entertainment purposes only. I just started a Patreon Discord page and I'm trying to find like-minded people to come join our channel so we can grow as a community and grow our portfolios together. So let's take a look at WorkHorse. WorkHorse is down 2.51%. Let's take a look at the current news. So there was a lawsuit filed against WorkHorse. WorkHorse class action lawsuit alleges that throughout the class period, defendants made false and or misleading statements and or failed to disclose that WorkHorse was merely hoping that USPS was going to select an electric vehicle as its NGDV and had no assurance or indication from USPS that this was the case. WorkHorse had concealed the fact that, as revealed by the Postmaster General in explaining the ultimate decision not to select an electric vehicle, electrifying the USPS's entire fleet would be impractical and astronomically expensive, and as a result, defendants' public statements were materially false and are misleading at all relevant times. On February 23, 2021, the USPS issued a press release entitled U.S. Postal Service awards contract to launch multi-billion-dollar modernization of postal delivery vehicle fleets, announcing that Oshkosh Defense, not WorkHorse, had won the lucrative NGDV contract. On this news, the price of WorkHorse stock fell more than 50%, damaging investors. But the other day, it went up because a group of 17 U.S. Democrats had introduced a bill to award $6 billion to the United States Postal Service in order to purchase tens of thousands of electric delivery vehicles. So WorkHorse is still not out of the game. Let's just take a look at this 6 months chart here. So it was trading around $40, even went to a high of $42.96 before selling off all the way to a low of $11.87, and right now we are at $15.85. Let's take a look at the 1 year chart. So we are at a very strong support at $15 because we had hit $15 in October as well and throughout July and August. I've already made $100 on WorkHorse from selling a cash secure put. So what this is saying is I have to put up $1,500 in collateral to receive this credit, this premium, which is $133. This is a great way to get the shares at a discounted price. So this expires on Friday. Let's say if WorkHorse is at $15 or below, I would use that collateral to purchase 100 shares at $15. Even if the stock price is below 15, let's say WorkHorse goes down to $13, I would still have to buy it at 15 because I am obligated to purchase 100 shares at 15 if the stock price goes to 15 or below. But if it stays above 15, like where it is right now, the collateral would then be released back to me. And I can go ahead and sell another cash secure put next week. So far I am up $100. Guys, this is an excellent strategy to generate extra money on stocks that you don't mind owning. So let's say it does go down to 15, I have to buy it. Well, the money that I collected in premiums would reduce my cost basis. So what are you guys waiting for? Sell some cash secure puts. Let's make money on WorkHorse together. Let's go to next week. Next week right now, you can get $88 for selling a 15 strike price. It's not as high as it was when I first sold it because the implied volatility did go down. But $88 isn't bad for putting up $1,500 and you can possibly get the stock at a discount. And let's say you already have WorkHorse and you want to generate extra money there. What you can do is you can sell cover calls against your shares. So you are putting up 100 shares as collateral. So you do need 100 shares for this. Let's say you go to next week's expiration dates, you pick a 25 strike price, you now would receive $25 just for having shares. Guys, definitely look into selling cash secure puts and selling cover calls. It is a game changer. If you're holding on to shares, sell cover calls. If you're planning to buy shares, at least 100 shares, and if you cannot afford to buy 100 shares or sell cash secure puts, what you can do is you can buy leap calls. Buy leap calls 1 year out. That way, there's plenty of time for the stock to reach your strike price. For example, we have a 15 strike price here. It is a 72 delta. So every time the stock moves up or down $1, this contract will move up and down $72. And it will only cost you $715. So that is definitely half the price versus buying 100 shares. Hey guys, let me know if you're holding on to WorkHorse or if you're planning to buy WorkHorse. And do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Weibo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Weibo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.